This is a two-bedroom apartment complex that is located in Utawala that goes for 15,000 Kenya shillings, 17,000 Kenya shillings, and 18,000 Kenya shillings, depending on how big is your apartment. They are newly constructed, and you have to pay 1 month rent plus a deposit for 1 month and a deposit for water that goes for 2,000 Kenya shillings. The token is yours, and it has a free Wi-Fi. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do remember to subscribe. Please do remember to watch this video till the end so that I can build my watch hours, and your support is highly appreciated. What else would you like to see on this channel? Is there an estate you'd like me to feature? Let me know. This first apartment is on the ground floor of this beautiful apartment building and goes for 17,000 shillings in Utawala. The kitchen is, well, open but not so open, a hollow space that they have utilized. You can see the living room is big enough to fit all the things that you need. I will not talk much on this video. I'll just let you watch the video, enjoy, and let me know whether you'd like this house. The toilet and the bathroom are separate. For a house that goes for 17,000, the first bedroom has enough space for all your belongings. The second bedroom is not even small as I was thinking. Remember, these houses are in Utawala. If you would like to see them, you can just leave a comment below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you would like to see more of these houses. And where would you like to move to? What are the houses that you would like to see, and which are the areas that you would like me to feature some houses? I have done Saika, I have not done Komarok, I have done Nasra Garden, and now Utawala. This building has some common area balconies, and most of the houses that have balconies have been taken. And as you can see, this is a house on a corner, much smaller than the other ones that you're going to see or you have already seen, and it goes for 15,000 Kenya shillings per month plus deposit, plus 2,000 Kenya shillings deposit for water. Living room alone, it is quite spacious for your sofas and living room furniture. It has a mini open kitchen which is not that small. It could fit all your kitchen appliances, and there we see the corridor is not as small, and it's also quite spacious, and that's how the house looks like from this point of view. The house has one toilet and bathroom in the same small room. The hot shower in all the apartments in this building are not installed yet, but they will be installed once you move in. Remember, this is a new building, and most of the tenants in this building are all the first time tenants. The first bedroom we see is in the corner. Like I said, this particular unit is in the corner of this building, so the shape of it is much like a whole corner. That is JB. You can go to his YouTube channel, which is JB Junior, and subscribe. And as well, remember to subscribe to this one. JB is a young talent that goes everywhere I go, basically. And this is the second bedroom that this house has. You can see the cabinets are quite similar to all the units in this building. And remember, this one goes for only 15,000 for a 2-bedroom. Now we head to the third house, which was on probably 4th floor. At this point, I had lost count. The house has a spacious open kitchen right in the living room. The first bedroom, as you can see, is very spacious, or spacious enough, and this unit goes for 17,000 Kenya shillings. 17,000 Kenya shillings with free Wi-Fi, 2,000 Kenya shillings for deposit for water, and another 17,000 Kenya shillings for deposit for 1 month. The toilet is right on the corridor. It's one toilet, one bathroom in one small tiny room. The second bedroom is quite smaller than the other one, but not that small. It could still fit 2 beds. When it comes to security of this building, worry not, because security was highly considered. Not only is there 24-hour system where when it comes to the security of the gate and who enters this building and not, there's also CCTV cameras. On each floor I spotted more than 5 CCTV cameras. I don't know how many they are, but on each floor there are CCTV cameras. So we go to the house in the middle that goes for 18,000 Kenya shillings. According to the caretaker, this one is much bigger than the previous one. That is why it goes for 18,000 Kenya shillings. You will notice that this house has a different tiles on the floor, unlike the other houses, but basically it's just slightly bigger than the other houses. That is why it goes for 18,000 Kenya shillings. It's a 2-bedroom in Utawala. Have you subscribed to my channel? Thank you for watching this far. I do not take it for granted. I would please urge you to subscribe, share, leave a comment. Let me know what other houses you would like me to do, which other neighborhoods would you like me to visit and present the real estate there. This is Utawala, and these houses are 2 bedrooms that go for 15 and 17 and 18,000 Kenya shillings. You will also notice that the cabinets of this house, in as much as they are similar to the other ones, they are quite larger. Even in the smaller bedroom, the cabinets are still quite bigger as compared to the other houses. Thank you very much for watching this farm. My name is Vicky Mugambi. Have you subscribed to this channel? Would you like to view or see these houses? Do you like them? You can contact me through the WhatsApp number 0705 549 55.